Stop wasting time with sliders and curves. Every single good photo you have is one bad shadow or one awful color tint away from being ruined. I'm going to show you 3 ways to use Nano Banana and talk to your picture and literally paint the light onto it with a single sentence. This is faster than any app you've ever used. Let's start with the classic, a photo that's just too dark. Instead of messing with the exposure, you simply tell the AI what you want. First, go to www.gemini.google.com. Then click the plus button, upload your dark photo. Then type in this prompt. Brighten the subject and make the lighting look like soft, natural daylight. See how it brings out the detail and makes the subject pop instantly? Before we go to the next example, I want to let you know that I've compiled 35 copy and paste commands, covering everything from fixing color casts and underexposure to instantly applying cinematic lighting and golden hour effects that you can use immediately in Nano Banana. To download your complete toolkit, just click the very first link down in the description below. Next, let's address the indoor lighting problem, that awful yellow or orange tint that ruins your food photos. This one is all about removing the ugly color and making the photo true to life. After uploading the photo, type this prompt. Remove the yellow color cast and adjust the tones to a cool white studio look. And in few seconds, Nano Banana just balanced the entire image without touching a single color slider. Finally, let's upgrade a dull photo to a masterpiece. We're going to fix harsh midday sun and give it a mood. Here is the prompt to use after uploading the photo. Apply cinematic lighting to the scene and give the sky a rich golden hour warmth. This is the power move. Nano Banana understands concepts like cinematic and golden hour. You're not just moving a slider, you're directing the light itself. This is why it looks so real and professional. Look at the difference. Before and after. That's the power of Nano Banana's natural language editing. I hope you liked this tutorial. Before you go, if you loved how easy these 3 prompts made it to fix your photos, you need to grab my free resource, the Nano Banana Lighting Prompt Arsenal. I've compiled 35 copy and paste commands, covering everything from fixing color casts and underexposure to instantly applying cinematic lighting and golden hour effects that you can use immediately in Nano Banana. To download your complete toolkit, just click the very first link down in the description below.